Good morning, student of health class. In this video, I am going to start your first chapter of history, that is understanding modern Indian history. Understanding modern Indian history. In this chapter, you have two dimensions. First, periodization of our history in our Indian history, and second, sources to find knowledge and information of our modern history. Okay, so let's try to understand in first video periodization of our past. Our past, it means Indian past. Okay. Okay, student, in classroom study, I have explained once that how our past is divided first. Then we reached in modern history. Okay, suppose this is timeline. This is timeline of past. This timeline of past, and we are here. We are now here in bottom, and human evolution started from here and reached here. Okay. First, our past is divided into three parts. Our past, not our history. Our past is divided into three parts. Our past is divided into three parts. I'm not talking about history. I'm talking about past. And past is all the time has spent. Past. जैसे past आप कहते हैं. This is total past. The first period where human being, early human, did not know anything, did not know how to write, how to understand, how to express. Okay, how to express, how to express our feelings. Early humans were living as like human animals. That period is called prehistory. Prehistory. Suppose this period is prehistory. This period is prehistory. In this period, early human did not know write. Even historians say that they did not know how to speak, how to express our thoughts. Okay, this time period. It means Stone Age. You can understand Stone Age. Okay, Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age, ठीक है, Neolithic age, Chalcolithic age, Stone Age. These about this time period you have studied in 6th class. Okay. Next time period come, that is this is, suppose this box is prehistory. Suppose this of our past. This is prehistory. And here you will find first stage and second proto-history. Second phase start in our past, that is proto-history, Prag-Aitihasik Kal. In this period, humans started to express their thoughts, their plan through depicted pictures and some in written form we are finding now. Some written, it means they started to write. They developed language. They developed medium of communication in this period. That is proto-history. But they developed medium of exchange. They developed communication, way of communication. But now the modern civilized human being did not and cannot read and understand what is meaning of that written record. It means in this period we find written record, but we cannot understand what is this and how they write and what is the meaning of this written record. This is called proto history, Prag-Aitihasik Kal. Then our history start. Then our history start where written record we can understand, we can read, we can understand everything that what they have written. Okay, here your history period starts. is history. This is your real history. This is your real history time period, where we find written record and everything, every sources we are finding, and we are able to understand that this time period is called history. Okay, now I hope you have understood that how our past is divided, not our history is divided. Our past is divided into prehistory. जिसमें people, early humans live as like human without any dress, as nanga. Then proto-history में only we find only one thing, that they started to write and read. They started to depict pictures. They started to draw picture on a wall, on cave wall. But till this time, we are not able to understand that. But from where we are able to understand their records, that time period is called history. Okay, student, any problem? That is history. This start from near about 200, 205 BC. Near about, some students call 4,000 or 3,000, but try to understand here. Where Indus civilization started. This history is further divided for better understanding. We find some commonness in particular period. Historian find some commonness in governance, commonness is government, commonness is culture, commonness is development of uh, philosophy. Some commonness we find, and historian classified again the history in three parts. They classified the history again three parts. That is, three parts is ancient and medieval and modern. Ancient, medieval and modern. Okay, I hope you have understood that. Further, our history is divided into three parts. One is ancient, and second is medieval, and third is modern. Okay, we find in these three periodization of history some commonness things. Okay, in sixth class you have studied ancient history. In sixth class you have studied ancient history, and when Harshvardhan in 647, Harshvardhan 647 died, and in 712 Muhammad bin Qasim invaded India. First Muslim invaded India. Then from that time, Muslim and Muslim, I think I should not say that Muslim era started, but Muslim era started. And from it means 18th century, 1712 to 1857, revolt of 1857. ये जो 1000 का ईयर जो लगभग है, ये मेडोलिस्ट। लेकिन आप जब 7th क्लास से जंप किए हैं 8th क्लास में, तो आप लास्ट टाइम औरंगजेब को मार करके आए। इट मीन्स 1707 में इन मेडोल हिस्ट्री 1707 में डेथ ऑफ औरंगजेब, यानी आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ औरंगजेब ब्रिटिश पावर इमर्ज्ड इन इंडिया एज ए सुप्रीम पावर. From that time, our modern history start. It means, student, this is periodization of our history. Okay. It means totally you have to understand that in 8th class you are going to understand about total British rule till independence 1947. It means here you can understand 2500 BC to 647 AD, and 647 AD, 2500 BC to 647 AD, it means ancient history. And 647 AD, sorry, AD to 1707 AD, death of Aurangzeb. 1707 AD, death of Aurangzeb. This is ancient, this is medieval, and from 1707 AD, it means after the death of Aurangzeb, British power emerged in our country. Then started modern history. A modern history from 1947 AD. 1947 AD तक ले मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री है बेटा। इसमें हम पढ़ेंगे कि किस तरीके से ब्रिटिश ने क्या क्या अपनी बदमाशियां की और क्या क्या उन्होंने क्या क्या किया, हमने क्या किया। दीज आर द थिंग्स वी विल अंडरस्टैंड इन 8th क्लास of modern history. And after independence, that is after independence era, ठीक, and this is modern. Okay student, one thing I want to add here. Next topic is sources of history. हिस्ट्री के बारे में तो ऐसे हम जानकारी पा नहीं जाते हैं कि हमको सब रखा है सब, हमें कुछ चीजें हैं जिनकी हम स्टडी करते हैं, कुछ चीजें हमें मिलती हैं, पुरानी चीजें जिनके बारे में पता चलता है कि हाँ ऐसा होता था। ठीक है, अभी कोई पुराना हेलीकॉप्टर मिल जाए, पुष्पक विमान मिल जाए तो हमें अंदाजा लग जाएगा कि हाँ पुष्पक विमान से लोग उड़ते थे। तो हमें कुछ सोर्सेज मिलते हैं जिनसे वी ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट हाउ दे यूज्ड दिस ऑल द थिंग्स. So sources of ancient history is different, sources of medieval history is different, and sources of, if you want to understand, if you want to study the modern history, you have to choose different sources. We find different sources to understand modern history. We find different sources to understand medieval history. We find different sources to understand ancient history. Okay student, this is periodization of our past and our history. From where to where different eras start. Try to take screenshot of this blackboard. Screenshot means write a mind map. And in next video we will study sources of our modern history. Okay student, thank you.